What is up, guys? Today we're about to install the parts that I've been waiting for finally for the SI. These are GODSPEED MONOMAXX, and these are GODSPEED camber arms. These are the spherical camber arms, I believe that's the term. But yeah, currently I'm running RACELAND coilovers on the SI. So the ride height is amazing, I love it, but the drive is horrible. So I decided to, instead of getting wheels and instead of going that way, that we're gonna go with this route because we want to go a little bit more legit, something more comfortable and something more reliable than that. I've already ripped off my bumper at that ride height, and it's not even, you know, it's at the lowest setting possible, but it's not even slammed all the way. And I've ripped off my bumper, I ripped off my fog light. Somehow I pulled the wire off while I was coming off of that curb. But yeah, the car's all clean, and we're about to head out to my boys Juan and Hector, Floss STI and that Juan STI, who are gonna help me install it. They're gonna do the installation themselves. I'm gonna just film the whole thing. So thank you guys for doing this for me. I appreciate you guys. I got you guys for anything. Just, you know, I got you guys back. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this installation, and yeah, let's get there. Now I do want to give a quick shout out to Psycho Speed. It's a company that helped me, more specifically Lloyd, for, you know, helping me get these parts. Yeah, I would recommend going through them. They shipped it fast. I got it within a week from ordering it, and he gave me great advice towards, you know, my purchase of coils. You know, I went in there asking, you know, what's up, like what do you recommend, and this is what I got. So this is what we're going with after reviewing as well. You know, I decided it was the right way to go, so we're gonna go ahead. Oh, and also shout out to that Reggie Zamora. He helped me with the decision of choosing these coilovers too. So yeah, thank you guys, and go ahead, check them out. I'll put all their IGs right here. Boom, boom, boom. And yeah, let's install them now. We get some GoPro action. Hey Siri, text Hector, what do you want to eat, bitch?
What do you want to say?
What do you want to eat, bitch?
Your message to Hector Wallace STI says, what do you want to eat, bitch? Ready to send it?
Yes. Stop moving. So the first thing we did was remove the camber bolts of the coilover. As you can see, these coils are disgusting and they look like they've been through some crazy ass fucking war. Then we went ahead and removed the brake line bolts. Then disconnected that, I believe it's like an upper control arm or some shit. It's that top bolt right there. You're gonna have to remove your washer bolt, and then you're gonna have to remove this top plastic piece under the windshield. They're all tabs, so just be careful pulling them out not to break them because you're gonna have to put them back on. They're pretty easy. They go from under that fender liner, and then there's like about 4 pieces in total, like 2 small pieces, 2 bigger pieces, and the larger tire piece after that. You're gonna have these tabs right here all around. I believe there's about 4. There's that one I'm working on, same on the opposite side, one above by the coilover, and then one in the center. Going ahead and remove the top 3 top hat bolts. From there you should be able to remove the coil. You might need to do a little prying on it just to slip it out, but yeah, look at that thing, it's horrendous. You can see that the top hat is like splitted. That's an OEM top hat. Yeah, that's not normal. I don't know. Yeah, these are just good coils.
What the heck? Look at this.
Hey, can I sell them like that?
If you
as
clean them
is,
up really good, as is, yeah.
150 as is.
For real.
150, 200 bucks. You think people will buy them?
I did 100.
So Hector's lazy ass decided to finally join us. I wasn't paying you for nothing. Just kidding, I didn't pay him. He started by helping us remove the shock bolts and the upper and lower control arm bolts. Give this man a follow. He'll be working on cars for free. Just kidding. Is that one worse? Oh my god. I hope you can hear this, but this is the OEM top hat. So, hold on, let me focus. Yeah, there it is.
I didn't even know that could rip.
That is insane.
What the fuck is this?
Hey, that's my exhaust, bro. It's my ghetto ass exhaust. Tell. Oh my god. The final thing for the rear is just going to be the shock bolt in the back of the trunk. You're going to have to remove the liner of your trunk and just unbolt that. To put the coilover back on, it's pretty much just reverse process on both sides. As you can see, we're just doing the top hat bolts here. By the way, Hector is pregnant. He's having a baby due in August. He really is though. Go congratulate him. Congratulate him by subscribing and following his Instagram. Cause he's desperate. Yeah. After that, we removed the camber arm. Now he put the original camber on with the new one to size it up, the length. Screw those bolts open and line up. From here on out, it's everything that we did, but in reverse, putting everything back together. To change the ride height, there's 2 lock nuts. You got the top lock nut and the bottom one. The bottom one you lift it up to the height that you want, and then you tighten it with the top one. I suggest measuring it with a little measuring tape, whatever you can use. This is the assembly for the rear spring. There's 2 plastic caps that go on each side, and then 1 thicker plastic that goes in between the spring and then the red part. As you can see there, he's putting it on. Boom, boom. So now he's test fitting the spring. He's just gonna leave it on there, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the shocks in. Same way as before. That's how you took off the OEM ones. Stick it up, and then you're gonna have to bolt it on. That tool that he's using there is just to hold the axle up. That way they can test fit and see the ride height and all that. As you can see, the ride height wasn't kind of where I wanted it. It's pretty high. It looks almost OEM, probably even higher than OEM. So we decided to go a little bit lower. So we took the wheel back off and then redid the sizing. And it almost has positive camber actually. Well, we're getting somewhere. He decided to max out the camber. Move! Let me see. Bruh. And the official ride height, hey, your fucking arm's about to get chopped, bro.
Bad.
Ah! Not bad. Damn, it can still go lower. Damn. So we're not low anymore. Let's go get some food and test drive it, see how it feels. All right, first impressions, here we go. Hold on. Turn off the music. All right, first impressions. All right, remember first thing that we always saw, that we always heard when we turned the steering wheel was a clunk clunk. So we're gonna test it out, ready?
All right, let's see.
We're gonna turn it, let's see what happens. That's just the wheels on the floor. No click clunk. It feels so smooth already. It feels smooth, bro.
You gotta go for it?
Yeah.
Hey, I like it.
Where are we going? Okay, thank you guys for watching the install. Thank you again to Juan and Hector for helping me install them. Thank you again to Jose and to Lloyd from Psycho Speed for helping me, you know, get the coils. I appreciate it. From first drive, from down the street to where we are now, which is Popeyes, they feel awesome. Just, you know, normal. It's an instant turn reaction. Like, it's insane compared to the RACELANDs. The RACELANDs, it was like a full half turn and then it would turn. But yeah, I'll do a full review comparing them two later. And they still got to settle, so we'll wait till then. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for that. Well, subscribe for more Honda SI videos and other car, you know, movie videos that I'll be doing. Check out my other stuff, and thank you for watching.
Color money green paper. I've been on my grind since I was in the 7th grade. Had my first kid, I was only 17.